Northwestern Mutual Calculator. The Northwestern Mutual Calculator is an online tool that helps individuals estimate their insurance and financial planning needs. Whether calculating life insurance premiums, retirement savings, or investment growth, this tool provides personalized estimates based on user input. By using the calculator, individuals can make informed decisions about their financial future and select the right insurance and investment products. 1. What is the Northwestern Mutual Calculator? The Northwestern Mutual Calculator is a digital tool designed to estimate costs and financial projections for life insurance, retirement planning, and investment strategies. It provides instant calculations to help users evaluate different financial options based on their individual needs. 2. How to use the Northwestern Mutual Calculator. Step 1. Visit the Northwestern Mutual website and access the calculator tool. Step 2. Select the type of calculation you need. For example, life insurance, retirement savings, investment planning. Step 3. Enter personal details such as age, income, savings, and financial goals. Step 4. The calculator processes the information and generates an estimated result. Step 5. Review the estimate, explore different scenarios, and use the information to guide financial decisions. Third, types of calculators available. Northwestern Mutual offers various financial calculators, including life insurance estimators, retirement savings planners, and investment growth calculators. These tools help users determine the best financial strategies to achieve their long-term goals. 4. Benefits of using the Northwestern Mutual Calculator. The calculator provides a quick and convenient way to explore financial options without speaking to an advisor. It helps users understand the costs associated with life insurance, estimate retirement savings needs, and plan for future investments. 5. Limitations of the Northwestern Mutual Calculator. While the calculator provides useful estimates, actual costs and returns may vary based on underwriting factors, market performance, and individual financial circumstances. Users should consult a financial advisor for more personalized and accurate planning. The Northwestern Mutual Calculator is a valuable tool for individuals looking to assess their insurance and financial planning options before making major decisions. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.